Okay, to start the installation, you need to open the Ring app. From there, you'll click on these lines in the upper left corner, and it'll take you to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you want to go to Devices. In Devices, you're going to go to Setup Device. And you'll be going to Security Devices, then to Sensors. From Sensors, you'll be installing a contact sensor. Okay, then you go to Ready. Okay, so now what you want to do, it's going to ask you to scan the code. The code is on the back of the Ring transmitter. So to scan the code, you get your phone and you put it over and scan the device, and it says you match up the pin number with the pin number that's on top of the transmitter. Make sure it's the same. If it's the same, you just click on use this code. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to remove the tape in the back of the sensor to activate the sensor. And now it'll show that it's configuring and adding the device. When it's connected, you'll hear your base station make a noise. There you go, okay. And it lit up also. So what you want to do, you click on the contact sensor, and you're going to use it I'm using it as a window, so you click on the window. I'll be installing this sensor in a bathroom window, and I don't see bathroom window as one of the choices, so I go to Custom, and I click over here on the top, and I spell out bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, continue, done, and continue. And I want to just call it a bathroom window, so I custom again, and I hit the X, and I spell out bathroom window. Bathroom window. Okay, and continue. Okay, it's just saying if you want to say hello to the sensor, but you can just skip this and continue. Okay, now it's asking you to test your sensor. You know, it's to check to make sure it's connected. What you do is make sure these two lines, his notch and the notch on the transmitter, lined up. Put it together. So now it's saying that when it's together, the windows close. When I take them apart, separate them, it'll set off the notice, and you'll show window open. Put them together, close, take them apart, open. And from there, continue. And it says success, we're done.